Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create a meter unit dimension style for a feet and inches environment. Okay, let's see. Go drawing units, UN enter. Length type architectural, precision 1/16 inches. Okay, now go annotate, select dimension style, feet. Okay, now go dimension style manager, D enter, go new, start with feet. Okay, name, new style name, meter, continue, go lines, dimension lines, color, by layer, extension lines, by layer, extend beyond dim lines, 3/8 offset from origin, 7/16. Okay, go symbol and arrows, arrowhead, close bank. Okay, arrow size 1". Okay, now go text style, click here, select FT1 text style, font name Arial, regular, text height 3/4", width factor 0.85. Okay, cancel. Now select text style FT1. Okay, text color, by layer. Okay, text placement, vertical above, horizontal centered, view direction left to right, offset from dim line 11/32. Okay, text alignment, align with dim line. Okay, go now fit, either text or arrow, tick beside the dimension line, tick. Okay, tick here, go primary units format, select decimal, precision 0.00. okay, suffix meter, M type, measurement scale factor. Go now calculator 25.4 divide 1000. Okay, equal, select answer, copy, paste to scale factor. Okay, now select. Okay, meter, select, set current, close. Okay, let's see. Okay, go linear, click. Okay, 0.864 meter, repeat linear, 0.305 meter. Okay, thanks for watching, have a nice day.